For this problem, this is actually a two-step problem, and it is going to require you to pull back and use Pythagorean theorem. But first, we are going to find the height of the tower using similar triangles. So my first step is find height of the tower using similar triangles. Okay, so what I have right here is my very first triangle, so my small triangle, which is going to be 12 and 10, and then you have your bigger triangle, which is going to be the orange one, and you don't know that side that the tower is on, so we're going to let it be X. But please be careful here, because this entire piece down here is not 19 like a lot of us have been marking it. It is 19 plus 12. It is that entire length. So that ends up giving me 31. Now that I have that, I can set up my proportion. 10 over 12 is equal to X over 31. I'm going to cross multiply. 12X equals 310. Then divide by your 12 and divide by your 12. 310 divided by 12 is going to give you 25.83, repeating. So what that found you was that this tower is 25.83 feet tall. However, that is not what the problem actually asked you for. The problem asked you to find the length of this guy wire right here. Well, due to the fact that this is a right triangle, all we have to do is look at it using Pythagorean theorem. So your second step is going to be to use Pythagorean to find guy wire length. So the Pythagorean theorem says that the hypotenuse, which is always across, is equal to the legs squared together. These are usually known as A and B and C. So C squared equals A squared plus B squared. So for our image up there, what you had on the big triangle that we are looking at is 25.83, which we just found, and 31. And since we're looking for C, that is going to look like C squared equals 25.83 squared plus 31 squared. And then you are going to take the square root of both sides. You can type this into Desmos exactly like this. Make sure you have your parentheses inserted in there, and it should spit you out a number that you can round to the whole. So square root of 25.83 squared plus 31 squared is 40.3. So when I round that to the whole number, it is just about 40 feet as my answer for that guy wire.